If you've ever wondered what HIV actually is, how it enters the body, how it damages the immune system, and if modern science has finally found a real cure, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to explain HIV in the simplest way possible, what it does inside you, how it hides, how it becomes dangerous, and most importantly, how CRISPR gene editing technology is now being tested to remove HIV from the body completely. Stay with me. This video could change your entire understanding of HIV. And before we continue, we're just a few subscribers away from 1,000, and your one click genuinely helps this channel fight misinformation. If you value real medical explanations, please subscribe. It means more than you think. HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. It is a virus that attacks one specific part of your immune system, the CD4 T cells. These cells are like the captains of your body's infection-fighting army. When HIV enters your body, it does something unique, something no ordinary virus does. It enters the CD4 cell and inserts its own genetic material into your DNA. Imagine a thief entering your home, rewriting the rules of the house and making your furniture work for him. That's exactly what HIV does. Once inside the DNA, HIV forces your immune cells to become a factory that produces more HIV. This is why HIV is so difficult to remove, because it hides inside your own DNA. Once HIV is inside your DNA, every time that cell multiplies, it multiplies HIV along with it. This is called HIV integration. And this is the reason HIV cannot be removed by normal medicines, because you cannot cut out HIV from every cell of the body using drugs. So what do antiretroviral medicines do? They stop HIV from multiplying. They do not remove the virus. ART pushes the virus to extremely low levels, safer levels, but the virus is still hiding inside your DNA sleeping. This hidden form is called the HIV reservoir, and it is the biggest challenge in curing HIV. As HIV infects more CD4 cells, these captain cells slowly disappear. The body loses its ability to fight infections. Small infections become dangerous. Opportunistic diseases enter. And without treatment, HIV eventually leads to AIDS, the final stage. Symptoms include rapid weight loss, chronic fever, frequent infections, night sweats, mouth and skin problems, severe weakness. But remember, this happens only when HIV is untreated. With medicines, HIV can be controlled for life. Now comes the biggest question. Can HIV be cured by CRISPR? CRISPR is a revolutionary gene editing technology. Think of CRISPR as tiny molecular scissors that can cut DNA with extreme precision. Scientists program CRISPR to find specific genetic patterns. So researchers asked, what if we program CRISPR to find HIV hidden inside the DNA and cut it out completely? This is the foundation of CRISPR HIV treatment. Here's how the experimental treatment works. Step 1. Identify the HIV genetic code. Scientists program CRISPR to detect the exact HIV sequence inside the DNA. Step 2. CRISPR enters infected cells. It travels into the body using harmless viral carriers or nanoparticles. Step 3. CRISPR cuts HIV out of the DNA. It makes 2 precise cuts on either side of the HIV DNA sequence. Step 4. The cell repairs itself. When the infected segment is removed, the cell stitches its DNA back together without HIV. If this works in every reservoir cell, this would be a real cure. Some early animal studies have shown HIV removed from infected cells, viral load dropping to undetectable, no viral rebound after stopping medication. This is the closest science has ever come to a functional cure. Right now, CRISPR HIV removal is in early human trials. It is not yet a confirmed cure. We still need to know, can CRISPR reach every infected cell in the body? Can it cut HIV safely without damaging human DNA? Will HIV come back or mutate? The technology is extremely promising, but real-world results will take time. So to summarize, HIV hides inside your DNA. That is why it's extremely hard to cure. Current medicines stop the virus but do not remove it. CRISPR is the first technology in history designed to cut HIV out of the DNA itself. If successful, it could lead us toward the world's first true HIV cure. Until then, early testing, early treatment, and awareness remain the strongest defense.